Hi, boys and girls. I hope you all are doing very well today. We are going to review vocabulary from your story Animal Groups by reading a story called Many Kinds of Bats. But before we begin, I'm going to erase this and I'm going to show you the book that we're going to read. So this is what we'll be reading, Many Kinds of Bats, but we need to review the vocabulary. Now, the vocabulary that you're going to see are the vocabulary that you have been seeing in animal groups, and plus some of these words are going to be seen in the story, Many Kinds of Bats. So your first one is bat, bat. Here's the picture of a bat, and that bat is on the front cover. Our next word is fly. Okay. Bats are mammals that are able to fly. Here's another picture of fly. So fly means to move through the air by using wings or parts of the wings. The next vocabulary word is bird. Bird. An eagle is a bird with big, strong wings. So this is an eagle. This eagle is a bird. He has big, strong wings. Here's another picture of a bird. Now, a bird is an animal that has two wings. Most birds can fly. Our next word is long. Long. This kangaroo has a long tail. Long. Long means that it's not short. Long. Here is a long pencil. Here is a short pencil. We're learning about long. I have a good example too of that. Here is a long pencil, but here is the short pen. Our next word is walk. Walk. The elephants walk together, so together in a group. So they're walking together in one group. Here's another picture. This family, they are walking down the street. Walk. So here's the dad, the daughter, and the son. So when you walk, this means that you are moving your legs to go somewhere. Walk. The next word is oar. Oar. Ducks can either swim or fly. Oar. So they can swim or they can fly. So it's used to join other words when you have a choice between two things. So there's a choice here. This duck could either go swim or fly. You will be seeing feathers. Now we see feathers on birds. Feathers. Now, this word is called roost. Roost. So a roost is a type of support for birds or bats to sleep and rest. Roost. So this is what it is, and we will be hearing that in the story. And bats and birds usually use these to sleep or rest. So you might see the word both, both. The lizard has both stripes and spots, both. So he has stripes and then he has little spots. Now, here's another example of both, because both means two things go together or together. So these two cupcakes here, they are both cupcakes. Are they the same or are they different? They are different because one has a cherry, the other one does not. Another word, those. Those fish are not the same colors. Those. So those fish are not the same colors as these fish. These fish are yellow, green, blue. These are red, orange, reddish orange. So here's a picture of the word those. So this man is pointing to those cups. So those is a word you use instead of that when you are talking about more than one thing. So you would use the word those when you're talking about more than one thing. So if it was just one, you would say that. But since there are 3 cups, you point out and say those. Another vocabulary word is going to be eyes. Eyes. This dog has blue eyes. Eyes. And they're pretty too. Here's another picture of an eye. Here's an eye. Now, eyes are part of the body that are used to see. Eye. So those are your vocabulary words. I'm going to post another video because we're going to review comparing and contrasting. So look for part 2. See you in a little bit.